Top 5 coins to buy in August 2019. Welcome back guys, it's Crypto here from Rockstar Trading Channel, and in today's video I'll talk about top 5 coins to buy in August 2019. I know this is an altcoin video guys, but we have to talk about Bitcoin guys. Bitcoin has been looking quite bullish guys, and since this 29th of June guys, you can see it's gone up about 15% and it's looking fairly bullish. If it can break that green zone I've been talking about guys, then it can go to, you know, even 13,000-14,000 again. So we have to keep an eye out for Bitcoin, and I know a lot of people won't like this guys, but the first coin, I know it's an altcoin video, but the first coin I think could be very bullish in August 2019 is Bitcoin. And if you look at like the previous corrections that it's done guys, how long it's taken, and this ABC correction might be completed, and from Elliott wave term we could be starting another run again. So again, I'm not sure if it will or not. If it breaks this level, we see volume coming in, because you can see for the correction, for the bull move, we had big volume. Now the volume is going down. So if we see big breakout guys, this could be a potential level to buy. I did get in, I talked about I wasn't trading here. If you've been following me on the Facebook group or even on YouTube, I'll make posts on YouTube as well. I talk about my daily crypto updates. I talked about Bitcoin wasn't doing anything here, so when it broke out I took a trade and I sold some. So I'm not in a trade now. If it breaks above it, I'd look to buy some. I have done some 5-minute trading. I've not really been doing this 5-minute trading, but a few people asked me to do it. So my 5-minute trading strategy, again, I've shared it for free. I know there's some discrepancies if you want more information, you can join the group, our educational group. If you have any question, you can join that. You can email me for early access. It's only going to be $9.99. It's more of a community rather than, you know, I'm not trying to sell courses or anything. You can join the group if you want. I'm going to be teaching this 5-minute strategy. And there's been some really good buys. If you remember, you know, pull back to moving averages, RSI coming from below, there's been some really nice opportunities that we could have profited. The trend is up. So I did take a couple of trades, then I think one was a loser and then two was winners. Two were big winners. So it's been really nice trading that, and the main trade that I took was, you know, breaking above this red zone was the main trade, and I think I sold most of it here, and then when it came here I think I sold the rest of it. So I'm looking for a pullback now to get long again, or if it breaks above I'll look to buy. But Bitcoin, keep an eye out for Bitcoin guys, because Bitcoin can be very bullish. Or if you want to trade long term guys, you could, you know, dollar cost average. If you have a strategy, you can use your own strategy to get in, or if you're using my 5-minute strategy, it's free. What I'll do is guys, I've reached my 5,000 subscribers, so I'll make I said I was going to give a Litecoin and XRP away when I reach 5,000. So next video I'll talk about it. I'll make a Litecoin video or a Ripple XRP video for that giveaway tomorrow, and then maybe I'll make another review of my 5-minute strategy update, because few people asked me loads of questions and it seems to be popular. One of the guys actually thanked me, made it he worked really hard on it to make it profitable. So again, you can't expect to just watch that video and start making money. If you watch that video, study it, make it your own strategy using that video, you can be profitable. And if you have any questions, you can join the group, and if you want early access, which is only quite cheap, you can email me at cryptorocko@hotmail.com. So that's my first coin that I wanted to talk about. The next coin that I'd like to talk about is, I wasn't sure which coin to talk about. There's a couple that I was going to talk about, but I'd like to talk about BAT guys. It's a coin that I quite like, and you can see it's pulled back to a zone where it's bounced off previously a few times. Again, buying the support on the second touch is kind of risky strategy, but you can see a few times it's come back here, it has bounced. So again, it's a very important level. If it breaks below, we've seen what's happened with other coins that kind of broke below. So if it does something like this, then it could be quite bad for BAT, but it's a coin that I like fundamentally again. So maybe I'm a bit biased on BAT, but you can see they're working on the project all the time. I've used their Brave platform. Maybe I'll make a video on them again. I've made a detailed video on why I like BAT fundamentally, but there always seems to be updating, you know, their project. They're trying to improve it. They've added some more features, and if you read about it, it's a really nice project. So again, but if it breaks below it guys with big volume, I won't be hodling, because, you know, I'm a trader. higher, but it is back at a zone where it could be looking good. I took this trade, I think I posted this as well. I sold it here, guys, at 50%. Previous highs, I sold it, so I was hoping that could stay above. I bought some here as well. Unfortunately, that I got stopped out, it didn't work. If we see a sort of a pin bar or some bullish volume coming in, then yes, I will be interested in BAT. But yeah, I'll keep eye out for BAT this month. Next coin I'd like to talk about is everyone's favorite coin, Link. I talked about this trade. I made a couple of videos lately, to be fair, on this break. That would have been a really nice trade, getting above the moving average. RSI was sold out, you can see my indicator moving up. That would have been a really nice trade to get in for a big profit. Again, I missed my earlier best entry, but I took I think I provided a signal. I mean, I don't want to say I'm a signal provider, but on our free Facebook group, which you can join, I posted a trade there which was a nice pump here from that, but then it broke below it, so I'm not really liking it now. It's trying to break above it, but you can see that big wick. It's not what we want to see. We want to see a green candle facing that way, not a red candle. So it's kind of disappointing to see that, because if it can't break above this green zone, guys, we might be pulling back further. But Link fundamentally is a coin that I like. Again, it depends on your strategy. If you're a long-term hodler, again, this small hourly price move shouldn't affect you. Again, in the group, I'll talk about the first video I'll make is going to be crypto trading versus investment. I'm more of a trader, but I'm going to share my investment strategy and trading strategy in the group. Over every week I'll be releasing some content. So again, so if you're an investor, you shouldn't really be worried. If you're a trader, if it breaks below this green zone, guys, and can't get above it, then that's not very bullish. But fundamentally, I do like Link. I've made videos about it, Link, 6 months ago, before all the craze. You can, again, I'll probably have people say I'm bragging about it, but I did talk about Link 6 months ago. And one other point I'll make about is what they're trying to do with Oracle. You know, more projects and startups, potentially news could be coming out that can affect Link, so I will definitely keep an eye out for Link. Next one, again, it's a difficult one, because Bitcoin, if Bitcoin breaks out, altcoins might not do as well. Last month, I highly recommend you watch that video. Last month I talked about Ren. That performed better than I expected, and I exited earlier. I didn't hodl as long as I should have, maybe. Next coin I'll talk about is EOS. So I met a guy who's really into EOS. He uses EOS, and that's kind of made me kind of talk about EOS in a bit more detail. So guys, EOS, from a technical point of view, it had a bit of a rally. So first thing I'd like to mention is the Sell the News event. If you remember 2-3 months ago, when EOS was going to make the biggest cryptocurrency announcement ever, it rallied massively, and then I made a video saying, be careful guys, if the news don't stay up. I said, you know, it's very likely it's going to be a Sell the News event, and I did exactly that. You can see those videos of what will happen in 1st of June, and it wasn't really great, guys. It was a Sell the News event, and if we look at the chart from 1st of June, it's not going to look pretty. Where's 1st of June? Oh guys, that is horrible. Literally from that day, it dumped 65%, but it is pulled back to a zone where the weekly RSI is oversold, the daily RSI is looking oversold, so it could be bouncing from here. We've had a pin bar, so if it can form a higher low, which I'm kind of expecting, it could have some moves. I was looking at the project, so the guy that pointed me to, again, I'm not saying it's an insider information is going to come out, I'm just looking from a chart point of view, and I was reading up about what they're trying to do from a strategic point of view, and the progression that they're making, and I quite do like the kind of the stake, how the proof of stake that they've got. It's quite interesting if you want to research more about it. They're creating a private transaction, a privacy coin on EOS. The dice, their betting platform. So the potential news can be coming out, and it is in a zone where it can bounce from. Again, I'm not saying it will. If we see volume coming in, if we see a breakout like this, you can draw. Trend line seems to, in Forex, in my Forex strategy, I don't really use trend line as much. I usually use support and resistance and moving averages. In cryptocurrency, trend line seems to work quite well. So do keep an eye out for EOS, and you can win free EOS as well through Coinbase if you're interested. Few people, if you're interested, and I don't do referrals as much, but I'll put the link below if you're interested. You can win, I think, $50 worth of EOS if you're on Coinbase. I'll leave the link below if you're interested. It's free money. I mean, again, I'm not. I I think you have to watch some videos and you get $50. So I'll put the link below if you're interested. I watched the videos and it was quite interesting to learn more about EOS. And if you're interested, like I said, I'll leave the link below. It's completely free. Again, you don't have to pay anything. If you sign up for it, you make $40. So it's free money really. So I'll leave the link below if you're interested in finding out more about EOS. But from a trading point of view, these are two levels I'm looking at. I would really like a bounce here to see some big green candles coming in. Otherwise, it could, if it breaks below that, I wouldn't look to buy it. So I've not really bought into this as of yet. So in this channel, guys, top 5 videos, I always have like a wild card entry, like a crazy coin that could pump. And for this month, I'll talk about MDA, Moidel loyalty points. So I don't really know too much about this coin. I was going through charts and I found this. The weekly is very oversold. As you can see, indicators are pointing up. And one thing I'd like to talk about is, if you see the volume, guys, the volume wasn't doing anything for over a month, and then you can see some big volume candles coming in. We've not really seen these big volumes coming in until back in March, and let's see what happened in March. In March it did rally. So if it, again, don't just buy it. If it breaks above, Ren worked out. I'm not sure if it will. Ren worked out last month. I'm not sure this one will, especially with Bitcoin. I didn't really want to make this video, but it's been part of my channel. If you're subscribed to my channel and you've been supporting my channel, I make these videos and people really like these videos, so I try to make them monthly at the start of the month. So if it does something like this, then it could have a nice little breakout, and volume sometimes precedes price, so make sure, but you need to see, price action is king, guys. Indicators, moving averages, nothing. Price action is king. If you're learning technical analysis, the first lessons I'll make is on candlestick, very simple candlestick patterns. What's a trend up, what's the trend low. Those are going to be the basic lessons that I'll be releasing in the educational group. So that's the last coin. So those are my top 5 coins. What is your top coin for August, guys? Comment below and let's have a discussion. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these videos. Few people have given me good feedback where I try to incorporate fundamentals and technical analysis. I'm more of a technical analyst. I'm in the cryptocurrency. I love blockchain. I've interacted with people who own coins, are into, have their own projects. So on cryptocurrency companies, so I know about the industry and I'll go to lots of meetups. I've met one of my subscribers as well, so that was quite nice. It's the first time I've ever met one of my subscribers. If you're from England, I might be traveling to Europe and go to some meetups there, and I've got loads of people in America, so I really appreciate you guys. And again, I know I've got this educational group that's for people that want to take cryptocurrency to the next level. Again, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. I don't expect you to pay me anything. I'd really just appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. That's all I if you enjoy these videos and like my content, because I do put a lot of effort into it to keep you guys up to date in different Facebook channel, Telegram, Twitter and YouTube. So you don't have to join my group. If you want to take your trading and cryptocurrency to the next level for a really small price, for the first early access is going to be $99 a month. If you're interested, they're quite cheap if you want to learn more about trading. So thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be doing the giveaway, maybe, like I said, I'll do it on Litecoin because the Litecoin halving is coming out. So, and I really appreciate to get 5,000 subscribers. I didn't really think I'd get the 5,000 subscribers so quick, so I really appreciate you guys. So bottom of my heart, guys, thank you very much, and hopefully I can help you guys in your crazy world of cryptocurrency investments and trading. So thank you very much. Comment below your thoughts on what's your top coin for August 2019, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another great video. Thank you very much.